Valcom has been making notification and alerting products since 1977. Our products are in over 45,000 different schools. We're really good at delivering messages, day-to-day messages like bell tones, announcements, dismissals, and our systems can instantly switch gears during an emergency to deliver emergency messages. Our challenge was that customers always looked to us to craft emergency messages for them. They didn't know what to say. They were afraid to say the wrong thing. And if you can't get the right message to the right people at the right time, they're not able to take the appropriate action to protect themselves in an emergency. When we learned what the I Love You Guys Foundation was all about, which is essentially providing research-based best practices for crafting those emergency messages, we immediately knew that our goals aligned. We were both interested in keeping people as safe as possible. To be able to point our customers toward a free resource that helps them craft those messages and removes the doubt about saying the wrong thing in a crisis situation is absolutely invaluable. The mission partnership between the I Love You Guys Foundation and Valcom amplifies what we're both trying to do. The mission to keep people safe is bigger than the individual parts. It's bigger than a single manufacturer or a single nonprofit organization. So together we're making a larger impact than we could on our own. We encourage any organization involved in life safety to learn more about becoming a mission partner and what that could mean to your goals. If you're serious about actually keeping people safe, what the I Love You Guys Foundation provides is next level.